Well, there we go. Spark headers installed, along with Akprovic can. So the spark headers actually come with this little bracket to allow you to obviously still fit the radiator mount at the bottom there. So I've just fashioned that in. Yeah, fits not too bad. Fits not too bad. The headers themselves, if anyone is interested in buying spark headers, I would thoroughly recommend these link pipes underneath here. You can just see the balance lines between the headers. I would thoroughly recommend just greasing them up first before assembly, as it makes it a lot easier trying to get these in and get them all aligned together, because obviously they have to adjust widthwise across the header to get them to fit. So yeah, that is totally recommended. And I've just started up the bike and it is blowing a little bit from this manifold in here, so I think I'll just put a little bit of assembly paste in there and take it all apart, put some assembly paste on it and stick it back together. I have actually reused the existing gaskets. It's not really best practice, you should really fit new ones, but to be honest I want to try to save a bit of money, as everybody's trying to do. I thought I'd take a chance and it's been okay. So just a quick wander around this side of the bike. Yeah, so the header seems to be okay. It doesn't seem to be blowing too much, but there's a little bit of a blow from the bottom here. I was just spraying it with some GT85, just try and locate it to confirm without burning my fingers. So yeah, it's just coming out of that assembly just here, the 3-into-1 manifold. I'll get that sorted out. At least it fits now anyway. I thought it was actually going to. I actually thought it was going to blow on this assembly at the bottom here, because there's not a lot of flexibility between the way it lines up on the bottom of the manifold there and this bracket picking up on the foot peg. Now that foot peg should actually be, I believe that bracket should actually be closer to the foot peg mount, but if you do that, then it puts this at the bottom here out of alignment. So what I've actually done is just used an old cotton reel that I had lying around, and it actually fits absolutely perfectly. So yeah, old cotton reel in just to space it off the back of the foot peg, and it's absolutely ideal. So yeah, just one to bear in mind. Bearing in mind this is for a 2020 model Street RS, and likewise the headers as well. So it's not actually for a 2023 model, but as far as I was aware, it was all the same. So, but anyway, it seems to fit okay. So yeah, here we go. Akprovic exhaust for 2022, well 2017 to 2022 spark headers, and Akprovic can for 2017 to 2022 765. So yeah, works well and sounds good. We'll start her up. Although there's other videos on YouTube for this, I will do another video of it, but here we go. Yeah, it's definitely blowing, you can hear it. Anyway, that's with the baffle installed. We'll see what it's like the baffle out in due course, but for the time being, it'll be fine. So now it's all connected up. I have to now go and disconnect it and stick some assembly paste on, but I didn't think those connections would actually need it, given the fact that they actually held on with springs, but looks like they do. So no big deal, just have to go and get some exhaust paste. That's just my experience. Anyway, thanks very much for watching and sticking with the channel, and we'll catch you on the next video.